I had a question in Excel recently. How can I fill blank cells or cells with errors and use conditional formatting to highlight or color those? So I've got a little range here with some blanks, and this is buried a bit, so I wanted to show you how to get to it. Get into the conditional formatting menu on the Home tab and come all the way down to New Rule. From this spot, you would use the second item, Format Only Cells That Contain. And down here in the description for it, that's where you could choose blanks or errors, depending on what you need. So I'll do blanks, choose a format, making this simple. There it is. Okay and okay. Have a great day.